The use of natural herbs to remove dark spots and melasma has been practiced for centuries. Many herbs contain properties that can help to lighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots. In this video, we will be talking about 6 herbs to help with melasma. But before we dive in, please like and subscribe. For centuries, people have used plants and herbs for healing purposes. Even today, many of us turn to natural remedies before considering pharmaceuticals. While some herbs may cause adverse reactions when taken orally or topically, others are safe and effective. And while they won't replace your sunscreen, there are certain herbs that can assist in the removal of dark spots and melasma. Before we begin, it is essential to understand that melasma is a skin condition that causes brown or gray-brown patches to appear on the face, neck, and other parts of the body. It occurs when there's an increase in melanin, the pigment that gives your skin its color. Melasma often affects people with darker skin tones and those with a family history of the condition. While it's not dangerous, melasma can be emotionally distressing for those who have it. Fortunately, there are several natural herbs that have long been used to treat melasma and other types of hyperpigmentation. So here are 6 herbs that can help get rid of dark spots and melasma. 1. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a well-known herb for soothing sunburns, but it also contains enzymes and vitamins that can brighten the skin and fade dark spots. The clear gel inside the leaves of the aloe vera plant contains malic acid, which is great at removing dark spots. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties make it ideal for treating acne scars and other types of blemishes. 2. Use aloe vera to remove dark spots. Simply apply the gel directly to the affected area twice daily until you see results. You can also drink aloe vera juice daily to help lighten your skin from the inside out. Just be sure to use products that are 100% pure aloe vera gel, and avoid those with added ingredients like fragrances or preservatives, which can cause irritation. 2. Dandelion. Dandelions are a common weed that many people consider unsightly. However, this humble herb has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for a variety of skin conditions, including hyperpigmentation. The leaves and roots of the dandelion plant contain a compound called chicoric acid, which has been shown to inhibit tyrosinase, an enzyme responsible for producing melanin, the pigment that causes dark spots and melasma. 2. Use dandelion to treat melasma. You can take dandelion root tea or supplement capsules daily. You can also apply a dandelion leaf extract directly to your skin as a spot treatment. 3. Bearberry. Bearberry leaves contain high levels of arbutin, a powerful skin lightener that works by inhibiting tyrosinase, an enzyme involved in melanin production. This makes bearberry an effective natural remedy for treating melasma and other types of hyperpigmentation. Bearberry is available in a variety of forms, including creams, lotions, and serums. Apply a small amount of bearberry to your skin twice daily and be patient, because it can take several weeks to see results. However, it's important to note that bearberry should not be used during pregnancy or while breastfeeding. Additionally, bearberry can cause photosensitivity, so it's important to wear sunscreen when using this product. 4. Parsley. Parsley is a popular herb used in cooking, but it also has a variety of health and beauty benefits. Parsley contains high levels of chlorophyll, a green pigment that has detoxifying properties and can help clear up acne and other blemishes. Additionally, parsley contains vitamin C and A, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin and preventing hyperpigmentation. To use parsley to remove dark spots, you can apply a parsley leaf extract directly to your skin or consume parsley tea daily. 5. Lavender. Lavender is a fragrant herb that is commonly used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and sleep. However, lavender essential oil also has skin lightening properties, making it an effective natural remedy for treating melasma and other types of hyperpigmentation. The oil is extracted from the lavender plant's flowers and contains a variety of compounds that can help brighten the skin. 2. Use lavender to remove dark spots. Dilute a few drops of lavender essential oil with a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil, and apply it to the affected area twice daily. You can also add a few drops of lavender essential oil to your bathwater and soak in it for 5 to 0 minutes to promote overall skin health. However, it is important to note that lavender oil should not be used internally, and it is best to avoid contact with eyes and mucous membranes. 6. Lemon. Lemon juice is a popular natural remedy for removing dark spots and melasma. The high concentration of citric acid in lemon juice helps to exfoliate the skin and brighten dark spots. Additionally, lemons are rich in vitamin C, which aids in collagen production and skin health. 2. Use lemon to remove dark spots. Apply lemon juice directly to the affected area and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. You can also mix lemon juice with sugar to create a paste. that can be used as a natural scrub to exfoliate dead skin cells and reveal brighter, more even skin tone. However, it is important to use caution when applying lemon juice to your skin as it can cause photosensitivity and make your skin more susceptible to sunburn. So be sure to protect your skin with sunscreen during the day if you use lemon juice as a natural remedy. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using any herbal supplements or treatments, especially if you are taking medications or have any underlying health conditions. Additionally, it is crucial to test any new product on a small area of your skin before applying it to your entire face to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction. In conclusion, these 6 herbs offer natural solutions for addressing melasma and dark spots. Each herb brings unique properties to the table, offering potential benefits for those seeking natural approaches to skincare. Whether you choose to incorporate them into your diet, skincare routine, or as herbal supplements, it's essential to do so consciously and with knowledge. Remember, nature offers a plethora of solutions, but understanding and responsible use are key. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment below and let us know which herb you're most interested in using. To remove dark spots and melasma, we'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more informative videos about natural health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching.